Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Bitcoin wallet address. First, understand that your Bitcoin wallet address is like a bank account number, essential for receiving funds. You'll need to access your chosen cryptocurrency exchange or personal wallet application. Once inside, look for a clear option labeled Receive or Deposit. This is where your unique address will be displayed. It's a crucial first step for anyone looking to engage with Bitcoin transactions. After selecting Receive or Deposit, your unique Bitcoin address will be prominently displayed. This address is a long string of alphanumeric characters, typically starting with 1, 3, or BC1. Many wallets also provide a convenient QR code, allowing others to scan and send Bitcoin to you effortlessly. Remember, always double-check the address carefully before sharing it to ensure your funds arrive safely and correctly. When dealing with your Bitcoin address, security is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share your private key, as this gives complete control over your funds. Be mindful of different address formats, like SegWit or Legacy, which can affect transaction fees and compatibility. For significant holdings, consider investing in a hardware wallet. These devices offer superior protection against online threats, keeping your Bitcoin much safer. To recap, finding your Bitcoin wallet address is straightforward. Access your wallet, find the Receive option, and copy the displayed address. Always verify the address before any transaction to prevent loss. Remember, security is key, so protect your private keys diligently. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy transacting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.